All right, everything's working. Subs are in. They're not screwed down yet because we need to take this acrylic right here over to Gately's. They're gonna do their magic touch. We got a little scratch on the glass. It's on the inside. All right, so we're over at Gately Audio. We're gonna fix that scratch, make it look brand new again. A little surgery today.
Yes, sir.
There it is. There's the scratch.
There's a plug right.
Hey, y'all remember when Colt saved me on my own box? They came over, him and Bobby taught me how, showed me exactly what to do to fix a scratch right on the front face, because those are the worst ones.
Make it a little bigger so we can feather that edge.
Where are we at now? What grit?
800.
All right, we started at 6. We're at 8.
The battery group.
So he's stepping out about 1/8 of an inch every single time.
Yeah, just an eyeball mark, you know, nothing crazy.
What's next after 1,000? How high are we going?
I think we can go to 3,000.
This one.
2,000.
2,000?
Oh, brand new key?
2,000. Doesn't feel like sandpaper.
Scratch is for sure gone.
We got one more to go, buddy.
One more? Oh,
Yeah.
that's it. What is that right there?
This is Geon quartz polish. So I have a compound here and polish. These are actually for vehicles for paint, but it works really, really well on this plastic as well.
He's gone. All right, the glass is fixed. It's time to put this window in and finally fire up the subs, but I have a few more things to do first. In direct sunlight through the window, you can actually see the baskets really good, but if it's dark at all, you can't see nothing. So we're gonna add some additional lights with a separate switch so we see them a little bit better. Hey, hit it. Yeah, look at that. These are just gonna have an on-off switch. They're not gonna be connected to any kind of app. So we'll run those in there as an option before the glass goes on. Alright, they're in there. I say we plug them in. Let's see what they look like. Ooh. What you know about that? Is that good or what?
Oh yeah. That shit is bright.
Sick.
My motherfucker is bright, dude.
Just the white lights all by themselves. Alright, this is just the interior lighting. It's going to be an on-off switch just so we can see the subs when we want to, because it is pretty cavernous in there. Yeah. Like, turn them just all red or something. Look at that. So sick. Let's see blue. A little blue, a little red. How about money green? Now all that's left to do is to fasten on the subs and test it. See what it sounds like. We're getting real close.